Hey guys, sorry I haven't not made a video in a while. I promised I was gonna make a video about this computer and yeah, and oh, I also got a new computer. It's a compact Presario 5050. Yep, but that's not what I made the video for. But I'm having a problem with my pavilion. I had it on and suddenly it turned off. Now I'm not sure why, but this is what happens when I try to turn it back on. Let me plug this in. This right here. I don't know what's it. I mean, it turns on and off rapidly. Like if it wants to turn on. Now, let's see the back part. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but the fan wants to turn or turn on. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm thinking it's a PSU problem or something. So yeah, comment below on your opinion what it is, please. Just to be sure. I mean, I will open this computer up and see what's wrong with it. But yeah, it's kind of a bummer that, you know, it stopped working, because I use this computer regularly for old games. Yeah. But yeah. Yeah, comment below and tell me what you might think it is. And yeah. Well, later guys.